Good morning, class 2 children. Now let us start chapter 6, Geometry and Maps in first term. So, here curved line, straight line and vertical line, you read about it. Then the horizontal line, vertical line, slanting line. Now go here. Shapes. A shape is made of lines. A shape that has only length and breadth but no height is called plane figure or two-dimensional or 2D. Let's study some terms related to plane figures or two shapes. 2D. The corner of a plane figure is point where two straight lines meet. A side of a straight line joining two corners points lying adjacent to each other. Okay, see side. A diagonal is the line joining two opposite and non-adjacent corners of a straight-sided shape. We already know about some basic of two shapes. Let us quickly revise them. Square. It has four equal sides. It has four corners and four equal sides. Rectangle. It has four sides, two short and two long. Opposite sides are equal. It has four corners and two diagonals. Triangle. It has three sides and three corners and has no diagonals. Circle. It has no sides, no corners, no diagonals. Oval. It has no sides, corners or diagonals, just like a flattened circle. Now solids. A shape that has length, breadth and height is called solid or three dimension. Three sides are there. It is 3D shapes. The face of a solid is flat surface. Edge of a solid is where two faces meet. And the vertex of a solid is that a point, two points meet. Cube. It is solid made up of 6 flat square shaped faces. Cuboid, it is a solid made up of 6 flat faces. 4 of them are always rectangular and the others 2 may be rectangular or square shape. Sphere, it is a solid made up of one curved face, has no flat face. It has no edge or vertex. Cylinder, it is a solid made up of 2 flat faces and one curved face. It has 2 curved edges and no vertex. Cone, it is a solid made up of one flat face and one curved face and it has one curved edge. It has one vertex. So, and this one you do it yourself. Now go to 6.2. Complete the following tables. Square. From here you collect all the answers and complete it. Already I read out this during 2 days. I am reading this one. So from here you take out the answer and complete it. Identify and write the shapes of the given objects. This is cylindrical, cylinder, then sphere and cone. Here also dice is there, square shape, and this is cube and cuboid. Match the shapes with their objects. Okay, you do it yourself. Just now we discuss about it. Write the shapes from the book this side, then you join with them. Give one word or a few words of the following statements. The figure with length, width and height. Answer, collect from here. A shape that has length, breadth and height is called solid or 3D shape. In this way, you take out the answers from back. Dot grid. A dot grid is an arrangement of dots in such a manner that each adjacent dot lies at a fixed distance from the previous dot, both horizontally and vertically. Dots are there. Here you make the shapes. We have already studied about curved and straight lines. Using these lines, we can draw many shapes by joining the dots or dot grid. From there, she already made it. You can also make many shapes there. Reading the position. To read the position of a point or a dot grid, we first divide the grid into rows and columns. Then we assign names of these rows and columns and identify the position of the required points. Look at the grid and read the position of the vertex the given shapes. Tangram. A tangram is a Chinese puzzle made up of 7 pieces. These pieces are called tans and are cut from square. See one square shape, they cut it. We can make different shapes, letters, animals, figures and other things using these tans. Tiling. All of us have been tiles on the walls and floors, kitchens, bathrooms, even rooms. We use tiles to cover our surface. They can be of any shape, size, design, and color. Arranging tiles in a pattern such as they fixed next to each other without leaving any gaps in between, known as tiling or tessellation. Observe the following figures. No gaps are there. White tiles, green tiles. Here also green, white, green, grey, green, brown, then purple. Look at the following pictures. These arrangements, there is space in between the tiles. Such arrangements are not tiling because in between there is space, so it is not tiling. Tiling is this one. Okay, everybody learn it. Thank you.